It seems as if even Levan Saginashvili doesn't think that Gennady Quickvinia can defeat Devon Larratt in their rematch. In Levan's recent video, we saw that he has already started his preparation for his upcoming super match in May against Hermes Gasparini. Well, I'll let you know why I said Hermes Gasparini. But anyways, Levan said that he's going to do some light stuff today because it's literally his first day after the Jerry Caderet match. But as we all know, for Levan, 130 kilos in bicep curls is a light workout just to get you started after nearly a couple of months of rest. And when Levan started working out with these dumbbells, I won't lie, I was genuinely confused when I saw Levan lifting this dumbbell which has 60 written over it. It's kind of funny, but I was thinking that since when they started using pounds in Georgia, because the dumbbell was looking really small, and I was like, in this particular exercise I should be working with a 60-pound dumbbell and not Levan. Then even with the 75 dumbbell I was thinking the same, but then later on I realized that it's in kilos, not in pounds. So even the 100 kilo dumbbell looks so small in front of Levan Saginashvili. That's how massive he is. And I'll say that compared to the past, this time in his so-called off-season shape, he's looking pretty good already. Then Levan predicted some of the important East versus West 16 super matches. Michael Todd versus Hermes Gasparini. Well, Levan said that to face Todd will be more exciting to him because he has never arm wrestled against him, but he thinks that Hermes Gasparini will win this match. And that's why I said that in his mind, maybe he's already preparing for Hermes depending on how strong his conviction on that prediction is. But still, Levan mostly prepares some general gym strength, overall strength and bodybuilding type of stuff. I see him very rarely do any arm wrestling specific exercise, so completely opposite of Devon Larratt. I'm sure he does that, he shows them to us too, but not as much as general strength building stuff. He said that the names that excite him the most are Todd Hutchings, Hermes Gasparini and Vitaly Lalitin, but he's going to beat them all anyways, so it won't really matter who faces him next. Levan said that Vitaly will surely win against Artyom Morozov in their left arm world title match. Then Irakli wins easy against Todd Hutchings this time. I immediately shared this screenshot with Todd Hutchings, so that was funny. Then Levan thinks that Dadikian is going to win his super match against Kordecha and Bethkili will win against Oleg Petrenko. So basically Levan said that all of the Georgians should be winning their matches. And then the question, Devon Larratt versus Gennady Quickvinia, because Gennady is also a Georgian, everybody knows that. Levan said that this match, this rematch is the most important or the most interesting match, he said, of the night. The last time it was an intense battle, this time the trash talk is already pretty serious, but he knows that they won't take this beyond the basic arm wrestling stuff and maybe a little bit trash talk as well. So nothing serious will happen outside of this area, because at the end of the day both of them are professionals. But Levan said that this time he won't give any prediction. He was just boldly saying that all of the Georgians are going to win, but he won't give a prediction for this match. Does this show, does this tell us that he thinks that Devon is going to win this match? I was thinking the same, although he did say that this one is also going to be an intense match and it is 50-50. But does this really mean 50-50 from Levan? Why didn't he say that Gennady is going to win? Then I realized that not many people know, but Levan is a master at predictions. Like, most of his predictions are always correct. So I immediately went back to their match from 2023 to see who Levan predicted that time. And even then, Levan said it was a 50-50 match. So no, he does not think that Devon is the favorite. In fact, this is what Levan said. Gennady has a lot of table IQ and his favorite game is the endurance. So what did Gennady show in that match? Table IQ and endurance. Devon is smart, but Gennady can be smarter. That's exactly what we saw. It won't be a problem for Gennady if Devon takes his wrist. That's also exactly what happened in their match. Gennady has a strong hit and a press. Gennady won that match because of of a press. If they go in a hook, it will be a tough day for Devon. That's also what happened in the 5th round. I'm rooting for Gennady, but it will be a long, hard battle and there is no favorite in this match. There couldn't be a better prediction for this match. That's why I say that Levan is the master of these predictions and he's saying that it is going to be the same this time around as well. Thanks for watching, like the video and I'll see you again.